i-FATOSS University. This is an institution that is dedicated to raise and release assets into the society and not just graduates.
i-FATOSS University is one of the best decisions to make, as there is conducive learning environment for the students and well-informed lecturers to pass information and knowledge to the students.
We have the computer laboratory / the library, and we also have lots and lots of projects in progress. i-FATOSS University is not just an institution, it is a hub, an impartation hub that releases dreamers to their dreams.
Here in i-FATOSS, we are committed to train, to produce quality graduates to meet up with the challenges of the future. We engage quality professors and sound academia. Our students are trained and equipped to face the future.
Most of the fact that students who study with us are comfortably going back home to Nigeria, for those who are Nigerians, to go for their NYSC, to look for jobs, to do whatever it is that they feel they want to do once they're done with their studies.
L'école i-FATOSS est une maison de rêve, là où tous tes rêves deviennent la réalité, car ils existent des ressources de chaque domaine et chaque personne.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Ambassador Eze Joshua, the Registrar of i-FATOSS University. Here in i-FATOSS University, we believe in what we stand to offer, which is quality education. And in the next 5 years, we're bringing global quality education to Africa through i-FATOSS University. Welcome to i-FATOSS University, where dreams become reality.
Venez à i-FATOSS Université Benin.